Hi, I'm Kantas. I'm going to get you up and going off a fresh install with Jamu. And here we are. Jamu app opens up, and right away, it's letting you know, hey, to talk to Ableton, let's do the following. So let's go ahead and open up Ableton. And right there, as soon as I got connected, the instructions went away. If you have an issue with that, just go to your settings, go to link, tempo, and MIDI, go ahead and go to control surface, and select Ableton EMCP. And once that's enabled here, you'll be fully connected. Quick note on the app itself. We have the chat here where you can ask for anything, give me anything. We have a health bar right here, type to system health, shows you status. If you have any issues, go ahead and send the troubleshoot report here. I'll just go ahead and click it and it'll generate an automatic report and send it off. We have a dashboard tab here, which is going to show you your account, show you tokens and usage. And back on the main page here, we have suggestions for prompts. And then also we have a beta for if you have your own synths, you'll be able to detect hardware and talk to your synth if it's capable and work with presets. And now that we're somewhat oriented, let's go ahead and use Jamu. Add a chord progression in A flat minor, sad but uplifting. Put in arrangement. Luckily, you don't have to spell well. While that's doing that, let me pull up an instrument. I like drift. We can just go piano. Perfect. And it's loading that in for me. Let's go to arrangement. Perfect. I'll load in the instrument. Awesome. Then I'll get it to make me some drums. Get me some percussion, shaky with funky hits on a new MIDI drum rack. Awesome. While it does that, I'm going to do some work in the background too. Let me duplicate this track. I just want the bass line for this track. It's doing its thing on the drums. And it says, great, I see track 4 percussion is ready. So it did some drums. I got a little bass line. Let me make sure that's in. Let me get rid of this. Perfect. There we go. Let me get rid of this. Quick drum rack. Don't even care what drum rack. Let's just roll with what we got. And you can always ask for effects too. Add auto filter on track 1 and cut to 2K hertz. Low pass. Now let me find quick bass. And I like, this is part of what I like to do when it's thinking in the background, frees me up to kind of just think about what's next and, you know, keep me focused. said perfect. Let's move this down. Amazing. I'll find the kick in my own package. PML, why not? Ah, even better. So I made a quick loop. I got a little bit too focused, too into it, but this is kind of what it came out to. And voila. Jamu is great for just getting quick ideas down, and you don't have to worry about, thinking too much about what chords do I want here, what do I need here, how do I build this percussion. I don't want to drag in loops. It'll just make a quick loop for you. It'll make that progression for you. You just have to ask it and prompt it in the right way and massage it. What it's not really for, it currently cannot analyze your sound and say, I need to do this technical piece of mastering or mixing. It can give you suggestions, but it cannot listen back to that. So there's some limitations in that aspect. But yeah, I encourage you to go ahead and open it up and, ask for random things. Sometimes I try to, make videos for it, and I end up just kind of getting lost and asking for, hey, edit every parameter in this specific device because I want to see what happens. I want to see what that random sound will sound like. And yeah, it gives you some great doors into creativity. So have at it.